What's up, guys? Daniel here, Trade Crypto Time at gmail.com. Guys, we just made 125% trade in Cambria, 85% trade in Gala. We made 75% trade Fate AI, guys. Take a look at this. Guys, I'd like to say apologize to all Trade Crypto members because I didn't send trades on the last 3 days because I'm traveling. And I was using my computer to connect with my another computer in South Beach, Miami, where I live. So it turns out, looks like we have some rain there, and the power went down in my apartment for some time, and I cannot have a connection with the software because what you see here is just an interface connect with the power computer in my apartment to collect this data from the exchange. I collect data from those exchanges here. If you see up here. Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, FTX. So basically, this computer, this software communicate with another software. My software over there is offline, so that's the reason I'm not sending emails. But some members are email me, and I said, man, I'm offline. Guys, take a look, Cambria. Volume spike right here. Friday 6, a share is traded private list 0.0008 por essa hora right here. 125%. 12,500 in my pocket. Gala. See, before the pump, there is a pre-pump. Volume spike right here. Right here, share is traded the private list on Saturday, 7. $2. Oh, sorry, 2 cents. And you put a sell order right here, guys. 4 cents. I mean, you know the little percentage behind. I made 85% profit here. 8,500. Guys, look. Why you put a sell order here? I mean, answer like a new member, Charles. Charles, we put a sell order right here because on the daily chart, use this technique here. This is the 200 exponential moving average. So we never put a sell order close to the 200 because your order might don't get filled. This is weak, okay? We put a sell order right here on this big daily resistance here, 4 cents. So that is a strategy behind this game, okay, Charles? And guys, let's talk about Bitcoin. A lot of members are asking me about Bitcoin. Easy, we go Bitcoin. Let's be rich. And I said, guys, don't get too excited, Bitcoin. I don't see much volume is going on here. Nothing's going on so far. The maximum is gonna happen, in my opinion, if it continue going up. It hits right here at 18,700, guys. When it hits here, we check the charts and you see what happened. Okay, guys, charts don't lie. Okay, if you know how to read the charts, you know how to trade any asset. It doesn't matter if you're cryptocurrency or stocks. Okay, another thing I like to say, guys, when you become a member, I'm gonna share with you this platform here so you can trade. You can have your platform. You don't have to spend $600 with TradeView because TradeView is $600. This platform I'm gonna share with secret link for you. It's free. You don't have to pay anything, okay? And this is awesome platform because they use volume for all exchange at the same time. Okay, let's go here, XRP. So you go to XRP, always go to USD coin market cap and you select that. See, you have the XRP graphic right here for free. And this is the real one, guys. Look what I said, guys. Here, there's no volume. There's no volume. Charles, do not buy XRP. There is no volume. Let's wait for the volume coming. Let's see the charts. What the charts are gonna tell me, guys. You guys trade with me, you know. We trade based in volume. Look Cambria here, guys. The volume spike right here. Boom. Take a look this number here. Let me make this more clear. This number here, volume. The volume 1 hour was here 185,000. The volume spiked to 20 million. $20 million in volume. Guys, if I made 12,500 in this trade, you can make the same profits I do. You have $20 million in volume, guys. We got money for enough to everyone here. Okay, you gotta know volume spike plus buyer power. That's what my software is tracking. Volume spike, buyer power. But like I mentioned, I'm offline. I'm travel out of the country. Gonna contact my friend in Miami so he can go to my apartment and reset my computer. I already have a power in my apartment. My computer reset. I have to log in and connect the internet so the software can communicate with this one. And I'm gonna back to send trades, okay? But I'm here. You already know. If you like to trade with us, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. We are family here. We make money. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day, Daniel. Bye bye.